If you're trying to watch your calories or up your protein, or maybe you're doing Weight Watchers, then you're gonna want this recipe. It's the Weight Watcher pizza crust recipe. It's super easy, it's macro friendly, there's tons of protein in it, so it makes it a little bit of a better option than eating regular pizza crust. You're not gonna wanna miss it. Hey everyone, it's Dorothy with crazyforcrust.com and welcome back to my kitchen. Looking to make pizza, but you don't want to break the calorie bank, or maybe you want some extra protein, then you're not going to want to miss today's recipe. I'm showing you how to make Weight Watchers pizza dough. It's also macro friendly. For more delicious desserts and easy recipes, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Now let's get in the kitchen. This recipe has just 2 ingredients. 1 cup of Greek yogurt that's been drained of any excess liquid, and 1 to 1 1/4 cups of self-rising flour. Start with 1 cup and you can add up to 1 1/4 cups as needed. Now when it comes to the Greek yogurt, you can use any brand. I use a non-fat. I usually use Chobani or something like that, but I always use the non-fat plain Greek yogurt. And if you don't have self-rising flour, you can use 1 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt instead. Then you're just gonna mix it together until it's a shaggy dough. A shaggy dough means it's not completely cohesive. I know that the thing I missed the most when I started counting macros was pizza. And so once I realized that I could make my favorite Weight Watchers pizza crust that has extra protein in it, it could also be macro friendly. And so this recipe is for you if you are trying to kind of be a little bit more calorie conscious, up that protein, and but still want to enjoy pizza, but not totally go overboard on one of those greasy ones from the store. Making your own pizza crust in general is much healthier, but this recipe is gonna give you some added protein and you're gonna love it. And then knead it until it forms a ball. Once it's all kneaded into a nice cohesive ball, then roll it out to your desired size and thickness. This usually serves 2. And go ahead and top it with whatever toppings that you want, pizza sauce, cheese, bake it, and you have pizza that is Weight Watcher and macro friendly. This is such an easy 2 ingredient pizza crust recipe. Just a couple extra if you don't have self-rising flour. With that added protein from that Greek yogurt, this is something that you can enjoy without feeling too bad about eating pizza. I don't like to talk about foods as good or bad, but I do know that some foods are healthier than others, and pizza is probably one of those least healthiest. So if I can add some extra protein in there and make it a little bit healthier, then that makes me happy because I can enjoy my favorite foods while still trying to watch my calories. I want you to leave me a comment and let me know, what would you top this pizza with? Would you use it for anything else? And keep watching for even more recipes.